and so we can talk about mindfulness. Okay, so I'm going to quickly just stop sharing my screen, and I am going to put on some nice music for us. And this is all your opportunity. This is your chance to relax. And again, just by showing up and you're putting yourself first, which is huge. Computer audio, okay. All right, so sharing, and if for some reason you can't hear the music, just let me know. But we have so nice, peaceful music. All right, so let's go ahead and we're just gonna make our way to a comfortable seated position. And we're gonna let our palms just rest on top of our legs. This signifies grounding ourselves, just grounding our energy. And then we're keeping our spine nice and long. This also helps with our posture. You can also lay down if you like to lay down during meditation, but for now, we're just going to be seated. And together, let's take a nice deep inhale, lifting the shoulders all the way up to your ears. And let's exhale the shoulders down the back. So now we're just really repositioning the spine. And together, let's take a nice deep inhale through the nose. Open mouth exhale, release. Just let go of all the air and feel your body just start to relax with your exhale. Let's do that again. Nice deep inhale through the nose. And then long exhale. Let it go. We're going to take some neck circles. So we're just slowly going to roll out our neck, nice deep circles. Just by moving the body, we're allowing any of that tension, that stress, that anxiety just to leave the neck, the shoulders. Focusing on the deep breaths, nice deep inhales and exhales. And then on the next exhale, we're just going to take it to the next side. So nice, slow movement, circling out the head, circling out the neck. Again, come back to nice deep breaths. Filling our belly with so much air, and then exhale, side out, and slowly we're going to make our way just back to a neutral seated position. Now our eyes are closed. Maybe slightly lifting the eyes just a tiny bit so we notice the difference between sleeping and meditation. And now starting with the top of the head, just allow the top of the head to relax and soften. Nice deep inhales and exhales. And then allow the forehead to relax. Relaxing the space between the eyebrows. Relaxing the eyes. Relaxing the cheeks, the jaw, maybe even move your jaw back and forth, opening up the mouth because we hold a lot of tension in our jaw. So just let that go, allowing the tongue to fall heavy in the mouth. Nice deep inhales and exhales. Mindful breathing is really just remembering to breathe. It's just focusing on taking nice, deep breaths. And then allowing the shoulders to relax, the chest. And let's go down to our heart center. Really feel that space in the heart center. And we're going to come back to a space of some self-love today. Knowing that everyone here, we are all worthy of love. We're all worthy of giving and receiving love. Let's take a nice deep inhale, feeling into the heart space. And exhale, let it go. And then we'll start to relax the stomach, allowing the arms to relax all the way through the hands and out through the tips of the fingers, allowing them to relax. And then allow the sit bones to relax, allowing the legs to relax, the knees, all the way out through the feet. Taking another deep breath in. Exhale, let it go. And now from the top of the head, imagine a beautiful bright light over top of your head. And this light starts to make its way down your body, all the way down through your face, your shoulders, your stomach, out through your legs and your feet. And this light feels really good. It has this nice loving energy feel to it. Taking your deep breaths. This light helps us feel safe, helping us connect back to our needs. And then let's all think of an intention. Maybe that intention is something you want to bring into your life. Love, joy, healing, happiness, abundance. Go ahead and think of that one word. What do you want to bring forth today? And together, let's inhale that word. Take a nice deep inhale. And then exhale, let it go. Nice deep cleansing breath. And this intention, this word, is something that you can always come back to. It's something that you are completely worthy of having and that you will have. Feeling into this word. What does it feel like in the body? Does it make you feel happiness, butterflies? Stay here just for 3 deep breaths on your own before we end meditation. Feeling into this word. One more nice deep breath. And let it go. And slowly together, we're just going to come back into this room, bringing your awareness to the clothes on your skin, the air all around you. Maybe start to move your fingers and start to move your toes, coming back into your body. Taking this intention with you throughout the rest of the evening, the day, the week. Knowing you can always come back to this energy that you've created for yourself in this beautiful light. And then slowly, just at your own pace, feel free to open your eyes, just coming back into the room. Just take a few moments, maybe locking your intention in. How is everybody feeling? Does anyone feel relaxed? Did anything come up for you? Was it difficult? Was it easy? There's no right or wrong answer. Feel free if you want to share your intention. My intention that came to me was gratitude. Just by feeling the state of gratitude and just sharing the space with you guys here. When we all come together and we meditate, we just allow ourselves to tune inwards in a group, it amplifies that energy even more. So everything that you feel through meditation, it goes like up a few notches when we do it as a group, and it's very, very, very powerful. So thank you guys for sharing that with me.